Now, friends, welcome to English Lesson 2, Part 5. Friends, earlier, a small exercise for you all given 2 days back. We are giving below answers in English for your reference. Please check with your answers. Here are 7 sentences in English which have been translated from Hindi sentences earlier given to you. So, please check at your end and find out the correct answers for your reply. Okay, we'll move to our next slide, slide number 3. Friends, welcome to today's session, English Lesson 2, Part 5. Now we are going to continue our Part 5 from today, and now we move to study our next two rules, 23 and 24. Rule 23 says, look at expressions like this: many a boy, many an opportunity, more than once. They are all correct expressions. They are in singular in form but plural in meaning. Therefore, according to their form, they take a singular verb. ऐसे भावों को देखिए, कई लड़के, कई मौके, एक से अधिक मौके, वे सभी सही अभिव्यक्ति है। वे रूप में एक वचन है लेकिन अर्थ में बहुवचन है, इसलिए वे अपने रूप के अनुसार एक वचन क्रियापद लेते हैं। फॉलोइंग आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रूल 23. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, many a boy is absent today. Many a ship is lost in the ocean. Many an opportunity is missed by negligence. More than one chance was given to him. So these are the examples of Rule 23. So friends, try to read this Rule 23 once, twice, thrice to understand it better and apply the principles said in this rule as per your understanding and knowledge. So we move to our next slide, slide number 4. In English lesson 2 part 5, here is a note. Note says the above noted expressions can be changed and formed thus also: more boys than one, more opportunities than one, more chances than one. Here the subject in all these expressions is plural. They require a plural verb. यहाँ पे एक नोट दिया गया है मित्रों, ऊपर दिए गए भावों को बदला जा सकता है और इस प्रकार भी बनाया जा सकता है: एक से अधिक लड़के, एक से अधिक अवसर, एक से अधिक मौके। इन यहाँ इन सभी भावों में विशेष बहुवचन है, इसलिए बहुवचन क्रियापद की आवश्यकता होती है। तो फ्रेंड्स, we'll move to our next slide, slide number 5. In slide 5, we are going to learn about the rule 24. Rule 24, singular collective noun plus of plus plural noun. एक वचन सामूहिक संज्ञा प्लस का प्लस बहुवचन संज्ञा. There are some expressions in which plural nouns are used after singular collective nouns joined with of. For example, a group of boys, a team of players, a band of singers. In these expressions, the subjects are group, team, and band, and not boys, players, singers, they being objects of the preposition of. Moreover, they are joined into one unit by a singular collective noun. All these will take a singular verb. So, following sentences are examples of Rule 24. Example number 1, a team of players is staying here. A garland of flowers is ready. A batch of students is studying here. A bunch of grapes has fallen from creeper. So friends, आप मित्रों, आप सभी के कन्वीनियंस के लिए मैंने हिंदी अनुवादित वाक्य भी मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड किए गए हैं ताकि आप जो अंग्रेजी में लिखा गया है उसके अनुवाद आप हिंदी में पढ़ के उसे और अच्छे तरीके से समझ सकते हैं। तो आप अगर थोड़े समझने में कठिनाई होती होंगी तो आप 1, 2 या 3 बार अच्छे से पढ़िए और समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। So friends, I we feel if you try to seriously read and try to understand all these English sentences correlating with the Hindi one, you will be able to understand grammar properly of the English language, and you will be able to uh, speak, read, and write English sentences very correctly with short span of time. So we move to our slide number 6. English lesson 2 part 5. Slide 6. There are some other singular collective nouns and they are as follows: a chain of, a garland of, a class of, a bunch of, a series of, a herd of, a flock of, a band of, set of, a bouquet of, a galaxy of, a fleet of, a pair of, a gang of, etc. So for this all details, I have also given Hindi translation for about these sentences. So please go through this. You will be able to understand them very easily. So we move to our next slide, slide number 7. Friends, we would like to request you all that if you have any query, doubt, suggestion, and complaint about My English Class Academy, please don't hesitate, don't feel shy to approach through comment box your most valuable query, doubt, suggestion, and if any complaint about My English Class Academy, most welcome at any time. We will be always there to attend your comment at the earliest moment. So please feel free to extend your comment at any time. We hope you all are enjoying learning the English language through My English Class Academy. Thank you all. We move to our next slide, slide number 8. मित्रों, आप सभी से निवेदन करना चाहते हैं कि मेरी अंग्रेजी कक्षा अकादमी में के बारे में यदि आपको कोई प्रश्न, संदेह, सुझाव और शिकायत है तो कृपया संकोच न करें। कमेंट बॉक्स के माध्यम से संपर्क करने में संकोच न करें। आपका सबसे मूल्यवान मेरी अंग्रेजी कक्षा अकादमी अकादमी के बारे में प्रश्न, संदेह, सुझाव और यदि कोई शिकायत है तो किसी भी समय आपका स्वागत है। हम आपकी टिप्पणी में जल्द से जल्द उपस्थित होने के लिए हमेशा मौजूद रहेंगे। तो कृपया बेझिझक अपनी टिप्पणी किसी भी समय बढ़ाएं। हम आशा करते हैं कि आप सभी मेरी अंग्रेजी कक्षा अकादमी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी भाषा सीखने का आनंद ले रहे होंगे। धन्यवाद। आप सभी लोगों का एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद। Friends, in this session we studied about the rule 23 and 24, and I would like to say one thing about this. I'm going to give you exercise based on rule number 23 and rule 24 in next session. So be prepared for that and study rule 23 and 24 in very good with very good understanding and principles of the English grammar. So we will meet in our next session day after tomorrow. Thank you all.